Greetings, friends and fellow cigar box guitar enthusiasts. Dev Puckett here. Welcome to the Triplets video. All right, we are tuned D, A, D. So the idea here is we are going to group together 4 groups of 3, or 4 groups of triplets. So to start off here, I'm going to put my ring finger here on the 7th fret, my middle finger on the 6th fret, and my index finger on the 5th fret. So the first group of 3 is just a downstroke. 1, 2, 3. The second group of 3 is my middle finger, and it's a double pull off. So I'm pulling it off, and then so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's the first 2 groups of triplets. The second, I'm going to slide down here with my middle finger on the 3rd fret and my index finger on the 2nd fret, and this is another double pull off. 1, 2, 3. Then the last group of 3 is just index finger on the middle string, 3rd fret, to a hammer on the ring finger, middle string, 5th fret, and then the high string open. So it's 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So real slowly, put them all 3 together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's the idea, and you can take that idea and you can spread it all around and use any scale, use any string combinations. Again, 4 groups of 3. Well, since I have this guitar out, I did want to just take a little bit of opportunity just to kind of throw a little jam here, just kind of mess around. Alright, if you enjoyed these videos, be sure to comment, like, subscribe, share, and I will see you in the next video.